The 8 QuickBooks mistakes hurting most small businesses. While QuickBooks is a product that's revolutionized the accounting process for small business owners, some support staff make critical mistakes with the program that can adversely affect their results. These mistakes are the most common. Improper setup. Most small business owners make the mistake of not having the correct setup completed. Most QuickBooks issues arise because of improper setup. They can avoid this mistake by understanding various versions of QuickBooks that are on the market and how the information is processed through QuickBooks with projects, items, and charts of accounts. Having this knowledge can also help the business owner customize their setup so that it is ideal for their business type. Using older versions of QuickBooks. Some business owners use the wrong version of the program. They lose valuable time. It's especially critical when the version's outdated because the product is no longer supported after 3 years. New versions of QuickBooks provide more features, enable more processes, such as downloading of credit card and bank transactions. Another feature that's part of the newer fleet is batch invoicing, which allows businesses to bill customers for recurring fixed amounts. Not maintaining bookkeeping. QuickBooks is only as current as the data entered into it. Business owners now can have access to real-time financial data if they're conscientious about staying on top of the bookkeeping. Avoid this mistake by setting aside scheduled time at least weekly to tend to the bookkeeping. A checklist can help. Retain your receipts and establish an organized filing system. Not reconciling accounts. A monthly reconciliation is pivotal to making sure that your financial information is accurate. QuickBooks helps this process and should be used to ensure accurate information is available when you make your business decisions. Using QuickBooks only for bookkeeping purposes. QuickBooks is an extraordinary bookkeeping tool, but it also has a lot of additional information and features that should not be ignored. For example, it provides the ability to create numerous financial reports relative to sales, forecasting, profitability. You can establish budgets and compare and track these budgets to your actual results. There's also third-party applications for CRM, for time tracking, connecting payroll, and others. Hiring the wrong person to work with QuickBooks. Unfortunately, many business owners make the mistake of hiring an individual who lacks the qualifications to work with QuickBooks. This can cause the company to hire a person who cannot perform the work correctly. They may lack qualifications to utilize the software. Ask detailed questions regarding potential employees relative to their knowledge of the program can often help alleviate this issue. Not monitoring accounting staff. While outside help may be needed to perform QuickBooks duties, a business owner should still monitor his or her accounting staff. This can best be completed by establishing clear expectations for employees and having regular periodic reviews of checklist and financial data. Not planning for when the bookkeeper leaves. At some point, it happens to every business owner. The bookkeeper may decide to leave the company and move on. The best way to shield yourself against the negative consequences of turnover is to establish a clean process that does not rely on a specific individual. Make sure your process is definable, repeatable, and predictable. This can be accomplished by documenting these accounting procedures and always keeping them current. Boca Bookkeeping provides high-value, accurate, complete, timely bookkeeping services and support to the business owner to keep them focused on their customer. If we can help your business and help you focus on your customer and less on keeping score, give us a call. Let's chat.